from Sodium Dental. Today I'm going to be going over the BLU toothbrush line here that we are now providing at Sodium Dental. We are looking forward to sharing with you the benefits and features of how this toothbrush makes brushing more fun and interactive for you and the entire family. What's so great about BLU is it hooks up to an app, which makes it fun to not only track your brushing habits, but now you have an easier way to track your children's toothbrushing habits all in one spot. It's super simple to use, and it's going to be great because you no longer have to worry about checking your kids' toothbrush bristles if they're wet. Now you can just look on a simple phone app and check to make sure that the brushing has been completed. What's great is you can track brushing for up to 45 days, and I'm going to share with you all the benefits and features of how this toothbrush works. So let's jump on into BLU and how to get started. So getting started, you're going to unwrap the clear wrapping off of the box, and the first thing you're going to do is then lift the top, and it's a very good hard cardboard, which is great. It's got a lot of great facts about how to get started. And then opening the box, this is what you'll see upon opening. You're gonna see here, you get the full toothbrush body, a charging port, the two toothbrush heads, and once you remove the toothbrush heads, you're gonna get the BLU user manual.
Now that we have unboxed our BLU toothbrush, it is now time to go charge our toothbrush before use. Please put your toothbrush on your charging bay for a full 8 hours in order to get full charge that will last for 30 days. Note here that BLU has 5 different brush modes. You will see clean, white, sensitive, soft, and polish to have a wide range of different versatile brushing modes. Now that we'll let our BLU toothbrush charge, we're going to want to go ahead and download the BLU app to get prepared to use your toothbrush for brushing. So you're going to want to go ahead and open the App Store and download that and let your settings have the Bluetooth setting available for your toothbrush. I'm now registering for my account. I'm putting in my information to sign up with my email. You can use Facebook or your Apple Store for this as well. Some fun facts about BLU is it has live tracking of your brushing. It will have a brush timer to also allow for ample brushing time, history of your brushing habits, and you can also share your habits with your dentist. Now you're going to want to hit your settings button on the home screen, and I'm doing my personal information, uploading my image, and also did my habits so I can get a recommendation for my brush mode to use a BLU toothbrush. Here, after I get my recommendation, I'm going to stick with that, and I'm going to go back into my settings and hit device management. When you hit device management, it will open a screen to pair your BLU toothbrush with your BLU toothbrush app. As you can see here, I'm going to hit pair device, and it will search for my BLU toothbrush, and it'll find the device, and I'm going to let that load. And once it finds my device, we can go ahead and get ready to begin brushing our teeth after the full charge with your toothbrush. Now it's time to brush. You'll get a friendly reminder to wet your toothbrush and to add your toothpaste. To get started, it will give you that reminder, and you can hit pair and it will count down. Apply some toothpaste onto the front of your teeth and turn on your BLU toothbrush to begin brushing. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will show the screen showing you guys the wrong zone as I was brushing very vigorously, and I did try to change and pick up my toothbrush, and it noted I was not brushing my teeth. So it will tell me wrong zone, which then means I need to pick up my toothbrush and complete that quadrant. If you don't do it in the allotted amount of time, it will move to the next quadrant and you will begin brushing those teeth surfaces, and it will prompt you to what teeth surface you should be brushing. As you can see on the screen, it will say to the bottom left, bottom right, top and bottom of the teeth, and where to begin brushing. The percentage lets you know how long to stay on that section of the teeth and to go back and forth until you get 100%, letting you know that that quadrant is complete, and then to pick up to move to the next quadrant and work on the next surface that it will prompt you to begin cleaning. The app is really sufficient in letting you know where to go, and it's super simple to follow. So I really love this part about the app, and I think it's going to be great for the whole family because not only as an adult, as sometimes we're rushing and we don't get the proper amount of time to give to our teeth to get a good cleaning. So with this app, it really helps create that healthy habit, not only for you, but this will be the same exact app your kids will use. So it's fun and interactive since they get to see the BLU and brush it away and kind of make it a game. And you can also know what sections of the teeth that they do a really great job in brushing, or if they're also rushing through their brushing process. So this really will help everybody become better at setting a good time and making sure that we get healthy, clean teeth. And as you can see here, I am now completed my brushing, and for the purpose of the tutorial, I did leave the zone missed. So you guys could see what it would look like if you missed a zone when brushing your teeth, and also if your child missed a zone. You will get 10 minutes to go back to fix this brushing habit to get 100% when brushing. After brushing, you'll get your statistics on your app, and that will show you the duration, frequency, and the average amount covered. When you want to go back to brushing, just hit the brushing on the dashboard and hit brush. You will now go back to that quadrant that you missed and complete your brushing process to get 100%. Once you finish brushing, you'll confirm that you flossed before brushing or that you are now going to floss your teeth, and then you have completed your brushing. You then can check over your data, and it will show you in your calendar the days you brush with a blue circle, as you can see here, on the days you've brushed to keep track of when you're brushing. Now you guys can go ahead into your settings and hit your brush reminders, and you can set a reminder for yourself. And when you go back to your settings, you can also hit your brush head monitor. And this will give you a section of when to start ordering your brush heads and going to your online shop. And also when you go back, you can hit your personal information and see your personal information and update that at any time. As you noted, I selected order brush heads, and as easy as that, it pops up the BLU website, and you can go ahead and select whatever style brush head you need to order your new brush head for your BLU toothbrush.
Now that we've went through the whole entire app and how to pair your smart toothbrush to your BLU Toothbrush app, I hope this helps navigate the steps on how to get through your app and pairing your BLU Toothbrush. And if you guys run into any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us here at Sodium Dental at our email at sales@sodiumdental.com, or just give our office a call, and one of our lovely project educators would be happy to help any questions you may have at 800-821-8962. Make sure before you leave to hit that like and subscribe button, to follow us here on YouTube for all of our educational videos, tutorials, and when we're going to be at our next event, so you guys can get a little sneak peek on what we're up to here at Sodium Dental. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.